Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I'm going to talk in this video about Best 5 Popcorn Popper that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1.
Using the Salvery popcorn popper is super easy. First, expand the popcorn popper. Next, add 1/4 cup or fill to the bottom line with your favorite popcorn kernels. Next, place the lid loosely inside the bowl. Use the two handles to place in the microwave and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Carefully remove the popcorn popper from the microwave and enjoy a healthy snack. Toppings optional. The Salvery popcorn popper features a collapsible, space-saving design, is made from food-grade silicone, is dishwasher safe, and comes in an assortment of colors. Salvery, traditional quality, modern design.
Number 2. Number 3.
Make a healthy treat with Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popper by Presto. It pops with hot air, not oil, for a low-fat treat. Virtually no unpopped kernels. Pour a half cup of popcorn into the handy measuring cup, then into the popping chamber. Put the cover and measuring cup in place. The measuring cup doubles as a handy butter melter. Plug it in. Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popcorn is all natural. No artificial flavors or added salt. 0 grams of saturated fat per serving. The chute directs popcorn right into your bowl. It's fast, too. Orville Redenbacher's popper pops up to 18 cups of gourmet corn in less than 2.5 minutes with virtually no unpopped kernels. Cleanup is a breeze. Because Orville Redenbacher's popper pops without oil, its base and cover simply wipe clean. The built-in cord wrap makes storage neat and easy. Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popper by Presto.
Number 4. Number 5.
Using the Popco popcorn bowl is simply a great way to enjoy a healthy snack without having to use oil or butter. Expand the popper and stand it on the counter. Pour in fresh quality kernels to either one of the 2 measurement lines. Gently place the lid inside the bowl without pushing down. Insert the bowl into your microwave and cook on high for 2 to 3 minutes until popping slows to approximately 2 to 3 seconds. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone, the Popco popper is constructed to not collapse while cooking. Carefully remove the bowl by the handles from the microwave and use hot pads if needed. Remove the lid and add seasoning if desired. Now enjoy a healthy snack. Easy to clean by hand, but it's also dishwasher safe, and it collapses for easy storage. So when you're looking for the best way to microwave popcorn, try the Popco brand, available on Amazon.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.